I'm showing a close-up view of my pour painting, acrylic pour painting I call Cherry Rivers, and I'm just showing the up-close view of the cell activity. And if you're interested in knowing how I created the cell activity, then please let me know. If you don't know what cell activity is, go to my acrylic pour painting and craft playlist featured on my channel to learn about acrylic pour paintings. And I also do giveaways, debit card, PayPal, Robux, retail gift cards, and more if you're interested in that. If not, just check out my pour paintings and craft playlist featured on my channel. I do crochet and other crafts. I do tutorials. I have some pour paintings that I did videos of me doing the paintings. I also did videos of me mixing the paints if you're interested in learning how I mixed my paints or what colors or things that I've used to create cell activity in my acrylic pour painting. This is the Dutch pour technique that I also use straws. Get that cell activity. Yeah. At any rate, I hope to inspire other people to, give it a try. I'm pretty confident that you would enjoy it. Your feedback is appreciated. Clue word: cell activity.